Good morning everyone, and today we are going to present our project-based learning or PBL project title TRPL 316 Work Permit Application System SIG Hung Nadiem Airport. Before we begin, let us introduce our team member. Our team consists of Karisman Anggelo as the team leader, Lucky Abdillah as back-end programmer, Jainal Arthur Siwaya as front-end programmer, Anjali Juniarti as UI UX designer, Keisha Himawari as business analyst, and Sanesa Jultavia Borsihan as business analyst. Now let's move on to the next part, project objective and scope. Objective: define the requirement and design of the work permit submit system SIG Hung Nadiem Airport. The system facilitates the submit, verification, approval, and issues of digital work permits efficiently and in a well-documented manner. The SKPPL serves a reference for developer and user to ensure a focused and unambiguous system development process. Scope: the system handles work permit application from external parties before performing work in scope areas. Main features include application from submitted by external parties, data verification by the Director of Operation, digital approval by Senior Manager or Vice President, digital issues of work permits, work monitoring by a physical and on-site verification via QR code.
The work permit submission system is a mobile-based application developed as an extension of the existing web system. It supports high mobility and enables direct verification in the field integrated with the web application. The main functions are mobile approval. The managers and vice presidents can review and approve work permits anytime and anywhere. Second is QR code verification. Aviation security can instantly verify the authenticity of work permits in the field with a built-in QR code scanner in the application. The last is a vendor portal, where vendors can track the status of their submission. Let's jump into functional requirements. So there's at least 10 functional requirements that we have been working on, but basically we just connect the mobile application with the API, so we don't have to build an entire logic from scratch. There is vendor registration, vendor login, master data management, work permit submission, system notification, initial verification, approval, generate work permit document with QR code, data export, and approval management.
Non-fungsional requirement SKPPL 901 ada accessibility. The application can be accessed from various devices as long as a web, internet, and connection are available. SKPPL 2902 ada usability. The application is designed to be easy to use and usable for user. SKPPL 903 security. Data security is maintained to that only authorized user can view, modify, delete data. SKPPL 904 availability. The application is scalable 24 hours as long as internet connection is available. SKPPL 905 compatibility. The system can be accessed to various modern web browser. Ada UCAS diagram. Itu ada vendor, diantaranya registration, terus login, UCAS diagram, vendor, approver, supervisor, verificator, aspek, dan admin. Di antaranya registration approval, login, add additional account for vendor, submit, seek, and upload document, and internet user account, verify submission and document, approve of project submission, generate complete file with QR code, or replace the word approver, monitoring, export seek data to Excel. Entity location diagram itu ada the approver, user, application, vendor, what permit, work type, work location, ada ID, user ID, application, level, signature, step approver, in upload ad, dan status, ada ID.
Our SIK system use web mobile integrated architecture with RESTful APIs to connect the Android app, and backend Laravel handles APIs and authentication. MySQL storage user and permit data, and Firebase provides real-time notification. GitHub support collaboration, while the API manage login, approval, and QR code generation with real-time synchronization. For security, we apply role-based access control, encrypt sensitive data, and use input validation to prevent SQL injection. Regular backup ensure reliability, and HTTPS secures all communication. Our main user is an external vendor who needs a fast, simple, and reliable system. That's why we focus on clarity, real-time updates, and easy navigations to help them submit work permits quickly and efficiently. The next slide.
Okay, my name is Karisman Anggelo Lamaindi, and I will explain to you about user personas and user-friendly principles. Our design principle focus on simple interface with clear step-by-step guidance. The system is also optimized for response time under 3 seconds, ensure a secure, efficient, and seamless experience for vendor working in the field. Okay, right now I will show you our application mockup or prototype. This is login and sign up authentication. After that, we have a homepage like this. There is a diagram and SIK menu. Okay, that's all for me. Next.
Application testing plan. The application testing is designed based on the functional requirement described in the SKPPL document. Focus on verifying each process within the SIK work permit system. The testing ensures that every feature from user authentication to permit approval function correctly according to user need and system specification. Scope of testing: Android application, web admin dashboard, backend API, database integration and QR code validation, Firebase notification service. Testing method: black box testing based on the use case from chapter 3, unit the integration testing during the implementation phase, system testing for overall performance validation. Next work plan, the next stage will focus on completing integrate testing and validating the application with actual user scenario. After testing, the team will process with deployment, final optimization, and documentation to prepare for product delivery to the client. Next activities, conduct integrate and user accept testing UAT, fix bugs and refine UI UX based on feedback, deploy system to production environment, prepare final documentation, final report, user manual, demo video, conduct handover, and closing presentation. That's all our presentation. Thank you for watching and see you next time.